Hey friends, today I am coming up with a classic source of plant-based proteins, especially in the diets of vegetarians. This is a simple yet tasty and comforting Dal Palak recipe. To get started with, I am taking a cup of tur dal or yellow lentils and a cup of masoor dal or orange lentils. Wash it a few times in water and drain the excess water away. Add the rinsed lentils to a liter of water and pressure cook it with at least 3 to 4 whistles, or until the lentils become soft and mushy. Open the lid only when the pressure settles naturally and check the cooked lentils. Now while the lentils are getting cooked, chop garlic cloves around 10 to 12, along with 2-inch pieces of ginger. In a pan or kadai, heat 2 tablespoons of ghee or oil. Fry a teaspoon of mustard seeds and cumin seeds on low heat until they splutter. Now add 10 to 12 curry leaves, chopped ginger and garlic, seven to 8 green chilies, and fry them well for a minute or two. Fry for some seconds or till the raw aroma of ginger goes away. Now take one onion and chop them into small pieces. And fry them well along with the other seasonings. Take a half a bunch of palak or spinach and cut them finely after thoroughly washing it with water. To this, add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of jeera powder, or a teaspoon of cumin powder. Add the 2 cups of finely chopped spinach and mix it with the rest of the fried ingredients. This spinach dal made with tur dal and masoor dal combined with fresh palak is not only different but also nutritious way of including dal in your diet. Spinach has a high nutritional value and is extremely rich in antioxidants, iron, calcium, vitamins and minerals, thus making this dish not only tasty but also healthy. Fry them all well along with 2 small tomatoes and chop them into small pieces and allow it to cook for some time. Add a tablespoon or 2 of salt according to your taste and a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Now add a teaspoon of asafoetida or hing and mix these spices with the spinach and saute for half a minute. Now add the mashed lentils, the cooked lentils and mix it well along with the palak and the other fried ingredients. Simmer it for 5 to 10 minutes. This Dal Palak recipe tastes amazing with rice as well as roti when served hot with a teaspoon of ghee. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel for more such videos.